Senator Francis Tolentino lost to broadcaster Ted Failon in a case elevated to the Court of Appeals. The CA's 12th Division dismissed the libel complaint filed in 2017. It involved a report in ABS-CBN'S Failon Ngayon program on the purchase of second-hand motorcycles by MMDA, which Tolentino then headed. Failon's commentary mentioned a possible fund misuse. The CA said Failon and his team acted within their rights. The CA dismissed the criminal case and ordered the CAVITE Regional Trial Court, Branch 18, to cease and desist from the proceedings.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.